All right, it is. No, this is beast, man. This is it right here. In case you're wondering, that's the size of my hand right there, so it's a little bit bigger than a handful there.
How many pounds it is?
So what we've got here, what we have is 8.5 pounds of food. And 8.5 pounds of food, that's 2.5 pounds of fries, 6 pounds of burger and toppings, and I am going to go up against. Yeah, you want to see my hand? Yeah, that's my big old mitt right next to here. There you go, right there. So I'm going up against Dog Garbage Disposal, Brandon Clark. He is the number 7 competitive eater in the United States, and let's see here. He's got all of his fancy beverages over here because he's a pro. Me, so am I. That's why I'm going to do it with beer because this is a beer show we do. Yeah. Anybody want any fries? Yeah. So we're going to go head to head here. So there is. That's what we're doing. It's going to get ridiculous. Yeah, you're going to do this. Don't worry. We got producer Dusty couldn't make it, so we got backup producer Devin stepping in, who's been out to a few shows. The guy knows how to drink beer too, so he's more than capable of taking this on. So here we go. ABC is here to, and there's the man that's going to go down right there.
Do you need some ranch dressing to dip your fries in?
Yeah. Can I get some barbecue sauce and gravy? Yeah. I mean, let's do this right. Yeah. Look at this thing.
Yeah.
This is just insane.
I'll bring you some dipping accoutrements.
All right. So, like all good burgers, you need a good craft beer. So I'm going with the No Label Brewing Company, El Hefe. That's right, the boss. Going with a Hefeweizen. And Brandon over there, he's got water and some iced tea or something. I don't know what that's all about. But again, we're hanging out at the Backyard Grill here. The crowd is starting to form and loom over here. They see people are starting to make their way in because they see the cameras. And again, ABC 13 here to cover this. It should be fun. Hey, Tony's on. Hey, good to see you, buddy. You're just up the road. Yeah, this is what we're doing here. So again, if you're just now tuning in, I'm at the Backyard Grill at the corner of West and Jones Road. Proud sponsors of What's on Tap Radio, where I, Chad Pilbeam, the Beer Logic guy, is taking on right there the garbage disposal. Garbage disposal. That is Brandon Clark. And let's see, when he's done doing his thing over here, I'm going to see if we can get him to talk to me because he's not going to be talking much. He's going to be looking at me saying, "Oh my goodness, you eat so fast." Yeah, all right, let's see if we can get him on board here. All right, he's going to jump in here. All right, this is Brandon Clark. This is the garbage disposal right here.
What is happening?
Yes, so have you ever done this before?
I did this burger before. I got the record now. I'm just trying to beat my own record.
And you did 8.5 pounds of food in how long?
This one, 17 minutes and 36 seconds.
All right, Chad, just to...
Oh, no. Oh, he's
to feel comfortable.
Oh, we got some queso. We brought some queso.
Some ranch.
And some ranch.
Some wing sauce for your fries if you want them, and some gravy.
Oh, man, we are all
some dipping sauce to help you with your beer.
We're going to make this. So,
for some reason, gourmet thing over there.
For some reason,
can I get some of that?
Yeah,
absolutely.
For some reason, I got a feeling Brandon
is covered.
He's not going to be using queso in this challenge. Again, 8.5 pounds of food. He's going to go try and break his record of 17 and a half minutes. Actually, we are going to try and break it in 17 and a half minutes. By the way, I just finished a couple of beers with James and about a pound of barbecue. So this should go really well. So really, if I beat him, I really ate 9 pounds of food.
Hey, talk's cheap. Talk's cheap. I'm going to shut up.
Brandon, we are live on ABC13.com.
Oh, wow. So we're going to be live.
We're streaming.
We're streaming live on ABC 13. So, all right, What's on Tap Radio, Beer Logic, the Backyard Grill, and Dog Garbage Disposal. Brandon Clark, the number 7 competitive eater. I'm going to hand this over to Devin here. Devin, you're on.
How to do here.
All right.
I'm coming about the whole burger. It is full of goodness here. We got tomatoes, bacon, onions, lettuce, a lot of fries here on the side, 2 big buns, we got pickles, cheese.
You got a running mate right here.
Yes, sir. He's gonna knock it out too.
That's right.
What's your name, man?
Chad Pilbeam, What's on Tap Radio, and hanging out the Backyard Grill for this challenge because I heard that he has a record here, and I think I can pull my own weight.
Yeah.
Away from the table whenever I tap out. Yes.
Now, have you ever tried any behemoth this big?
I've eaten a burger here. Yeah.
Okay.
Not this one.
Not that one?
No. It's about the size of my hand.
Not exactly.
No, so I've never tried this before. But you know, he's got his beverage, he's got his technique. He's going to stand and drink water and tea. I've got beer, and I'm going to go ahead and sit. I got gravy, and I got some queso. So I think I'm good.
And one last thing, Brandon. How do you feel after the CC's challenge right now?
I'm feeling pretty good right now.
Yeah.
I feel like I gave me a stretch 2 days ago, but then yesterday was no solids at all liquid.
Remarkable. So, I mean, whenever you're ready, if you need to prepare, if you need to like say your prayers, eat your vitamins.
No, I meditated earlier.
Meditated. All right.
Wait, we're getting our picture. All right, let's get another photo. Hey, why not? Come on, Cat. I got this. Got this. Oh, yeah.
Right here?
Oh, all right. Sorry. Oh, yeah?
You need it right here?
It's already going. Can you just hit the camera button?
Oh, certainly. Okay, 1, 2, 3. One more time.
Oh, wait. Got it. There you go.
1, 2, 3. All righty.
There you go. All right. Thank you. All right, now can we hold it? Yeah, all right, cool. All right.
All right, you guys ready?
Are you ready?
I feel for them.
Whenever you want, just let me know when to go.
All right, you guys ready to turn these guys on? All right, the clock is starting now. Good luck. Today, over 9 years, 4 people have completed this challenge in less than an hour. It's everything, yeah. Come on, Chad.
Don't you slow down on me.
Behind. Maybe drink some beer to wash it down.
No idea. How many burgers are out here?
Is that a word?
Oh my God.
Live streaming for Chad. Your face out of the buns.
This thing's the size of my head. This is not a bun. This is a bar stool.
It has the same amount of hair.
Hey, does anybody got any salt? I don't know.
His pile is dwindling.
I'm ready to start with bacon.
Where we're at?
Not have your vegetables. You doing all right over there? You, all right. I'm ready for 3. Let's have a beer. Hey, where's the
3-minute mark right now.
Holy crap! Okay, there's still. I think he gave me extra burger here because I still have 3 burgers to go. No, 2. Sorry, 2.
Yeah. He's on the bun.
Brandon, you're good to speak right now, right? Or oh, no, continue. Goes on. You're in it to win it. Come on, Don. Look it up.
I feel like maybe the water's ready to
Beer is 90% water.
Okay.
He's still going strong. Chad's starting to sweat a little bit.
No, I got some cool.
Too bad they're not crawfish.
I'm not crawfishing.
No. Too bad they're not crawfish. No, if it was a crawfish contest.
Alright, got that out. I feel better.
God, you're like so close.
Oh no!
Go, Chad! You're catching it.
Almost done. The bun weighs a pound.
Yeah, put that up to your face.
Oh, man, no.
You can't see channel.
We're just over 6 minutes right now.
Hey, next time, challenge him to a drinking contest.
Just to let everybody know, this isn't just a burger. There's fries in the equation as well. So
Yeah, this is a tag team event. Who's ready to come in?
Thank you, Fred. Fred in the corner for the Backyard Grill. There we go.
yes, by the way, this is the Backyard Grill on Joe's software.
Come on, Ted. I'm trying!
I'm only going so fast as
Chad, you're looking good.
Keep
it up, brother. You got it. What's the time? Just lick the mayonnaise off the bun.
Go that way. We have to go.
No, I know. The door's right there. I'm going that way.
Fred, do you have a bucket?
Need more tomatoes.
Hey, Chad, water.
We're drinking a Mexican ranch.
Oh, I don't care.
Water.
Somebody give me the spirit. I need.
Obviously, Brandon's taking it in stride. It's like the Antonio Brown of
Chad has got a new strategy. Have you started?
Yes, I started.
Oh, okay. I just saw the bun. I wasn't
Mushroom.
Just one mushroom.
It's a jalapeno.
So, Chad, tell us about how you feel right now.
Stupid. This is not a good idea.
Are we doing French fry balls?
And would you do it again?
Put some gravy on it. That's what we need, gravy. There we go, some gravy.
Your face is saying no.
Come on, Chad, step it off. Shoot! Look at you. You gotta make a French fry ball. I know.
And Brandon, don't talk with your mouth full, but how do you feel about your competitor?
You're destroying.
Okay, good answer. Yeah, okay.
Look at this. That's one burger. That's one. How many are out here? 4 of these?
You should at least try to eat the meat before you finish this, Chad. It's only 4 pounds of beef.
Chad, there's starving kids in China.
Get a little lettuce in there, too, if you want to get
Yeah,
gout.
that's right. Yeah, that's right. Yeah, eat your vegetables.
So you're going to gout. Total weight, 8.5 pounds. Brandon, you're destroying us, dude. Fantastic.
You trying to be his little time. 17 what? 1730?
Come on, Brandon.
So we're going to talk about this while you're hosting the Wild Game Beer Dinner on Friday night, Chad.
I'm working on it.
Forget the burger, man. It's all about the beer.
Now I gotta finish the beer.
Forget the burger.
You can't throw in the towel till you've done.
I'm not working.
One more strike. One more strike.
Yeah, it's just No Label Brew Co.
We're down to the normal side of French fries. Let's cheer these guys on.
Hey, this is Fred from the Backyard Grill. He's the manager here. He's helping make all this happen.
So glad I'm not doing that. We are just under 13 minutes right now. The record is 17 minutes 36 seconds held by this guy himself.
want to thank Channel 13. Hi, what's your name? Are you having fun? All right, good.
You're done. Here we go. He's going to finish that in the time it takes me to finish a beer.
I've seen you drink beer pretty slow.
So if you want some free food, Chad has plenty left over.
3.5 minutes ahead of the record right now.
There it is. That's it?
Uh-oh. Hey, your phone just locked up.
Did it? No quitting. That lady's not sung yet.
We got this mushroom.
You can do it.
I'm taking down this mushroom.
Dude, I didn't tell you, it just froze.
Onions down. Very good. Onions. Woo! All right, guys. Congratulations, Brandon. 14 minutes, 33 seconds. 14 minutes, 33
I swear,
seconds.
it just fucking froze.
Brandon, the garbage goes a little flush.